Normal life across Manipur was severely disrupted on the second day of the 48-hour general strike called by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi'. The bandh was launched in protest against reported directives from personnel of the Mahar Regiment at Gwaltabi instructing removal of the word Manipur from Manipur State Transport MST bus carrying media personnel en route to cover Sirui Lily Festival. A ground report by SKTV from Lamlong Market, Porompat, Nongmaybung, and Wangkai in Imphal East revealed near total shutdown. Shops at Lamlong Market remained closed, and commercial activities from Ayangpali to Porompat came to a standstill. At Nongmaybung, members of Eastern Students Club and Nongmaybung Women's Mayrapaibi Development Association blocked roads using logs to express solidarity with the strike. Speaking to SKTV, Mayrapaibi members condemned the action of Mahar Regiment and called for removal of President's rule in the state. They warned that if attempts to erase the word Manipur continue, stronger agitations would be launched, demanding restoration of Manipur's pre-merger status.
India government na kuki yaiba terrorist sing asindi aga connect Manipur da laiba yellow missing muthatna bo honarakpagi aroi ba oina tasengna hairabada India government gi phongakpa ki ahalaman gi pawrokda khoi hurama makok na pi pa e haibagi thong da government gi thong je tasengna yamna nokning ba phawe akoina aduna mari suba ma regiment gi kai phamsi ba su lokthokpiro aduga hauji pairiba Governor si pham thadokpiu khudakta pia lokthokpiu
Manipur manungdabu Manipur thaba yaroi hairakpa masibu karamba magi state ki miyoi singda yagadra haba Manipur da lairiba nupi angang singche khulai pairakpagi kainodo India government ngai biganu nupi angang na khulai pairaga lan sokna haideba leite aduna ima ibel punama khutta khulai paidana lan thengna bagi ne tanja do yaure e habase ai hajaningi